Good evening all from the Thebe Securities dealing room here in Durban this 25th of June. Really interesting day. We're down 253 points after Tito Mboweni disappointed us on rates, but an interesting range, about a 250 point spread from the high to the low of the Aussie 40, the Aussie 40 being our top 40 shares of the market, which is pretty much the same as the overall market. 20241 was the high, 19908 was the low, and we closed at 19966, so pretty much on the low of the day. And that, as I said, was when Tito came out and said holding rates as they are, the market had obviously priced in at least a half, so we came off. And really, I can't quite see the logic in his decision yet. He was slow to cut, and now he's possibly not cutting enough. We'll see. Rest of the numbers, all the sectors down, 1.2 on resources, 0.1 on financial, and 1.3 on industrial. A reasonable day, 9.5 billion turnover. On the leaderboard, AECI up 5. Really, it's had a torrid couple of years, and it's got to really do a lot of work before it gets to be a well-rated stock. Sonyati fighting back, up 4. Mpumalanga had a very good day. It was up 10 at one stage, up 4 at the close. Sasol up 2 on a higher oil price, and Sappi up 2. Nice to see. On the laggards, Kumba Iron Ore was down, as well as Billiton, Sappi, PPC, and Purell Metrix, but not by huge numbers. Then overseas at the moment, we have the FTSE down 52 at 4227, the Dow Jones up 53 at 8353, and the S&P up. So the US is up and the UK was down, but really not big numbers. And again, if there is such a thing as a normal market, hopefully we're entering that phase as opposed to the wild and woolly one we had certainly the last year and the early part of this year. Gold 935, platinum 1180, and oil, as we said, slightly up at 69, hence the higher price on Sasol. And on the currencies, 804 to the rand, that's still very strong. Don't ignore that. 804 to the dollar, 1312 to the pound, and 1120 to the euro. We'll see if this rate cut impacts further tomorrow, or whether the testimony that Ben Bernanke is giving to Congress at the moment on the Merrill Lynch takeover will affect the US market and thereafter our market on Friday morning.